Welcome to YouTube Informer.
Apple cider vinegar is mostly apple juice, but adding yeast turns the sugar in the juice into alcohol. This is a process called fermentation. Bacteria turn the alcohol into acetic acid. That's what gives vinegar its sour taste and strong smell. Apple cider vinegar has a long history as a home remedy, used to treat things like sore throat and varicose veins. There isn't much science to support the claims. But in recent years, some researchers have been taking a closer look at apple cider vinegar and its benefits. Some people say the cloud of yeast and bacteria you might see in a bottle of apple cider vinegar, is what makes it healthy. These things are probiotic, meaning they might give your digestive system a boost, but there isn't enough research to back up the other claims. It has garnered superfood status, and fans of the vinegar say that it can cure many diseases. Truth is, there are few studies that support these uses, so while you can add it to your diet without significantly upping your risk for weight gain, it's best to stay realistic about it. Regardless of the variety, you do not have to refrigerate this vinegar, and it will last for a very long time. Vinegar, in general, has an almost indefinite shelf life. Even if your vinegar changes appearance, it is still okay to be used. What are the possible health benefits of apple cider vinegar? Vinegar has been used as a remedy for centuries. Vinegar is used in cooking, baking, and salad dressings and as a preservative. Nowadays, it is most commonly used for weight loss. One way apple cider vinegar is weight loss friendly is it has very few calories. Yet you may also have heard that some people take a shot or tablespoon of apple cider vinegar to stimulate fat burning. High cholesterol. There is some preliminary research suggesting that apple cider vinegar may be beneficial for health. One animal study showed that obese rats who took apple cider vinegar daily saw a reduction in total cholesterol, LDL, known as bad cholesterol, and triglyceride levels due to its antioxidant benefits. Type 2 diabetes. One plus about vinegar is that it's been shown to possibly help people with type 2 diabetes. In fact, one past study in the Annals of Nutrition and Metabolism found that taking 2 teaspoons of vinegar with a meal containing complex carbohydrates reduced postprandial glycemia, a spike in blood sugar after a meal, by 20% compared with the placebo. Stress relief and mind cleansing to focus better and balance the life. For people with diseases like hepatitis C and HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, as well as mental health conditions, there's speculation about whether ACV can aid in stress management, likely by reducing inflammation, and thus help manage the conditions. For hepatitis C, some people online claim that ACV can aid in liver detoxification to improve the health of this organ. Skin conditions. There may be limited benefits for the use of topical apple cider vinegar on a variety of skin conditions, but research published in June 2015 in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology cautioned against applying pure, undiluted vinegar directly to skin, noting that this practice can cause chemical burns. Vinegar also has chemicals known as polyphenols. They help stop the cell damage that can lead to other diseases, like cancer. But studies on whether vinegar actually lowers your chances of having cancer are mixed. Apple cider vinegar risks and side effects. Because of its high acidity, drinking a lot of apple cider vinegar can damage your teeth, hurt your throat, and upset your stomach. Though some studies have been promising, there's still little to prove that drinking apple cider vinegar helps you lose weight. It may also cause your potassium levels to drop too low. Your muscles and nerves need that nutrient to work the way they should. Another study of people with type 1 diabetes found that apple cider vinegar slows the rate food and liquids move out of your stomach to your intestines. Slower digestion makes it harder to control your blood sugar level. It might cause some medications to not work as well. These include diabetes and heart disease drugs as well as diuretics, medicines that help your body get rid of water and salt, and laxatives. And of course, its strong taste might not be for everyone. Final word about using apple cider vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar on more than just salads. The ingredient may help you control your blood sugar and can be part of a healthy diet. In short, apple cider vinegar probably won't hurt you. You can try it because it's calorie-free, adds lots of flavor to food, and has health benefits. But it isn't a miracle cure.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.